So today I thought I'd show you how to change door mirror indicators on the 2006 Honda Civic. This one's full of water and cracked. It doesn't work either. Bought both. So it's just got a little crack in it. It's not too severe, but thought I'd change them both while I'm at it. Show you what I've got to change it for. It's the part if you're interested. I'm going to start by just popping out this mirror, like so. Get a flathead. You got ones in there, you push down, clips in there, you got to push down, clips in there, you got to push down. And then just take that clip off. And then you got 3 T20 Torx bits to unscrew. Just be careful when you screw them back on. You don't want to over tighten them or you'll crack it. Yeah, I mean, some difference there. And then there's serious differences there. Just give it a little clean off so it wasn't filthy. Just pop that in there. You might hear a little click. Just remember not to over tighten these, as the casing will crack. Don't ask me how I know. Ah, fuck. Yeah, you gotta be super careful. Probably better using a screwdriver than a ratchet. I don't want to go more than that. I got away with that. Just reconnect the wire. Test it. We put it back together. Yeah, we're good. And clip it all back in.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, oh, why did it take us so long? Hey, oh, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, oh, and now my prayers get answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
There we go, it's way better, it's working, side, shiny, working. Happy days, thanks for watching.